Hello everyone, welcome to Cooking with Cookings. This is Haley Rose and I will teach you how to cook creamy chicken soup. Creamy chicken soup is a delicious and comforting dish. It is a classic comfort food that provides warmth and satisfaction, making it perfect for cold or rainy days or when you're feeling under the weather. Here's a basic recipe for you to try. Ingredient: 250 grams boneless, skinless chicken breast shredded, 1 teaspoon peppercorn, 1 tub-sized ginger, 1 lemongrass, 2 bay leaves, 4 tablespoon butter, 1 cup of milk, 3 cloves garlic minced, 1 cup diced onions, 1 bell pepper, 1/2 cup diced carrots, 1 cup thinly sliced cabbage, 6 cups chicken broth, 2 eggs beaten, chicken bouillon, optional, salt and pepper to taste, 1/4 cup all-purpose flour, chopped fresh spring onion for garnish, optional. Cook the chicken with ginger, lemongrass, peppercorn, bay leaves, and seasoned with salt. Simmer for 10 minutes or until tender. Allow the cooked chicken to cool slightly. You can use 2 forks or use your fingers to pull apart the chicken into small thin shreds. In a large pot, heat 1/4 cup butter over medium heat, then saute the garlic, onion, and the bell pepper until they begin to soften. Creamy chicken soup recipes are often straightforward and don't require complex cooking techniques. It's a dish that can be prepared relatively quick, making it suitable for busy days. Stir in 1/4 cup flour to create a roux. Cook, stirring constantly for about 2 to 3 minutes. Pour in 1 cup of milk, stirring constantly until roux is formed. Add a portion of chicken broth or water, stirring constantly, making sure there are no lumps. The creamy aspect of the soup adds a luxurious and indulgent texture, creating a satisfying mouthfeel. Now add the shredded chicken. Stir and let it boil. Add another portion of chicken broth. Now add chicken bouillon for extra seasoning and bring to a boil. Add the carrots and cabbage. Let it boil for another 1 to 2 minutes. At this time, we can now add the beaten eggs. Slowly add the beaten eggs, whisking constantly. Taste and adjust the seasoning if needed. Finally, sprinkle some chopped spring onions. Our creamy chicken soup is done. Serve the creamy chicken soup hot. Creamy chicken soup is highly versatile. Feel free to customize the recipe by adding various vegetables, herbs, and spices to suit your taste preferences. It's adaptable to different culinary styles. Enjoy your creamy chicken soup. If you like the recipe, please like and comment, share and subscribe to our channel and follow our FB page for more cooking tutorials. Cooking with Goggings. This has been Haley Rose. Thank you for watching.